Hi, I'm Brianna Roland, and I am one of the applicants for the AC charter school position. Today, I will be talking about an activity that will be used for a math assignment in kindergarten for after a lesson is completed. So it's a little assessment to test the students to see where they're at in the lesson and if they need any more practice, another day to work on it. And this website I'm using is called IXL. It's a math website, and it has all the different topics that go over kindergarten, and you can click on each one and go over an activity with them. So I'll have it on the smart board for them to come up one by one to put the shapes in each category. And the lesson that I will be going over today is learning to sort and classify by color. And so in this activity, it'll be little buttons, and they will be a different color, and the students will have to come up and drag the button to put the shapes in each category. And the lesson that I will be going over today is learning to sort and classify by color. And so in this activity, it'll be little buttons, and they will be a different color, and the students will have to come up and drag the button down into the color category. All right, so this is the website IXL, and we'll see over here that there's an abundance of grades and resources for everyone to use, but we're going to focus on kindergarten math today. I'm going to focus on down here in the Q, sorting, ordering, and classifying. So I'm going to click on the number 5, classify and sort by color. So whenever it comes up, we'll see the different color buttons here, and then the charts for each color. And so I'll go ahead and get started. Hi friends, today we're going to be learning about sorting colors with these objects. And you already went through sorting colors with our own buttons in our baggies on the table, but now that I've seen you all master this technique, we're going to do it together on the big board up here. So I'll go ahead and do the first one to show you how this works, and then I will be asking all my fellow friends to come up and help me. So here I have a purple button, and I see there's a purple word right here, so that must mean that this button goes in here, right? Yeah. And then I'll move on to this one. What color is this one? Yellow, right. And so the yellow tab is over here, so you'll just take the button and drop it right in. And then this one looks purple again, so we're going to go ahead and put in the purple. And then I'm going to hit submit. Yay, we got them all right. All right, can I have a friend to come up and help me? All right, come on up. All right, let's start out with this first button. Where do you think it goes? Do you think that's pink? No, yeah, you're right. So it goes in the blue one. All right, and what's that one? That one's pink. Yeah, where does that one go? Right, in the pink box. And then the final one is, yes, blue, right. And now hit the green submit button down there. Good work, you got them all right. All right, go get another friend to come up here. All right, so this one is yellow? No, that's the blue button. So you're gonna put it in which box? The blue box. Good job. Oh, you're moving fast. Uh-oh, different one. That one's yellow, yep. And then that one is blue. And what do? You hit the green submit button. Awesome, you guys are so good at this. My friends are really smart today. Thank you.